Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your PIN or password on your Android phone. So maybe you've given out your password and you're looking to change it just for security reasons. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the settings window and you want to select network and internet and select the mobile network security button near the bottom. Select the Set Screen Lock button, unless there's already an option in there for your password, just would select it in that case, and then you would select password again, and then you would have to enter in your password, and then you could then change the password. So very straightforward, intuitive process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.